Hello, this is my chapter 24 solution, 1, A through E. So A, the important measurements we must know. So the width is what it gives us, 24 feet wide, and slope, 512 slope. We're going to try to solve the total rise. And the equation for that is total rise times the run. The unit rise times the run is what I mean. So we have 5 times 24 equals 120 inches. Divide that by 12 inches. You'll get 10 feet. Now, the number of studs is going to be 16 inches on center. So 0.75 times 24 gives you 18 studs. With 18 studs, total distance between them 10 feet. Part 2, the number of sheets is going to be found by the area of a triangle. So 1/2 times base times height. So we're going to go with 1/2 times 24 times 10 equals 120 divided by 32. Due to using 4x8 sheets, so total area is 32. Divided that, so it gives you 3.75. Rounded it up to 4 sheets. Okay. And you do the same thing for all of the other questions. The exact same formulas. And that's how we'll solve each and one of these. Okay, and this is the worksheet in which I did the problems on.